Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In this video, I will be sharing our visit to Muskoka and Algonquin. Also, I will be sharing few preparations what we did and also our first snow experience of this season. Also, I will be sharing here. Very fun-filled video. Watch the video till the end. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let tasty be happy. Today I will also show my meal preparation for the trip, what I prepared and how did I take it along with us. Everything clearly I will explain to you. I will be preparing paneer butter masala and chana masala and rajma masala. All the recipes are already there on my channel, so I am not going to share detailed recipe here. You can see I have already prepared all the 3 vegetarian curries. Next day I will be preparing 1 non-veg curry also. Everything will be packed in Ziploc and nicely kept frozen. One day ahead I prepared all this and packed it and kept it in the freezer to nicely freeze it. Why did I do meal prep this time? Because we are going on 4-day trip and near those locations we don't have any desi or any Middle Eastern or Mediterranean restaurants. That too halal also no options. So we chose to make food, at least one time food every day we will pack it. All day long we will be enjoying English breakfast, in the lunch pizza or fries or even halal if you happen to get burgers, like that we will try. But at the end of the day we will have this desi food what we prepared. How did I pack? Now you can see all packed in Ziploc. Keep it flat so that it will be easy to stack. I will keep it as such in the freezer and now frozen. You can see all packets stacked nearby and I will be just layering it with ice in between. And also I made homemade parathas and also frozen parathas. Both the types we bought and kept so that it will be easy for us. All reheating only we will be doing. The weather was very pleasant until we reached Algonquin, but the next day the weather was very bad. It was all day long, it was raining. First we visited the visitor center so that we can get a nice preview of what can we do next day and take some maps also. But as it was a long weekend, Thanksgiving weekend, the visitor centers closed quickly, so we will come next day morning only. Look at this, is the mini kitchen I was talking about. There is a nice big fridge and also there is a dishwasher, coffee maker, microwave, all cutleries available, pots, pans, even cups, plates, everything will be available. On request they will give you this induction stove top and pan too. Instantly when we reached, we kept all our food again inside the fridge for our next 3 days. Next day morning, it's a nice rainy weather. We never expected this because forecast was not showing rain for these days. But it's okay, what to do, we have reached and we have to enjoy. However it is, rain or shine, we will enjoy. From here we got the map. You can see that black line which goes through till the end is 45 minutes drive non-stop. For reaching Algonquin you should always take Highway 60, which is a very scenic route. You will always enjoy the route, full of colorful trees, full fall colors. If you have to enjoy, take Highway 60. And all through that 45 minutes drive there are multiple stops where you have to get down and go for different spots. Mainly in Algonquin you will have lot of trails, but as it was raining we came to that art center. When the rain was heavy, we chose to go somewhere indoor, whatever available. Like this only, we came to this art center. And later on from here we went to the next important spot, that is Lake of Two Rivers. This is a very big lake, very mesmerizing lake. You will see full of fog and mist, and the weather was very cold. This lake is very big. You have 4 spots to go and visit for this lake itself, and multiple trails too. But we chose to go for 2 spots and took lovely pictures and moved on. Next we reached the visitor center. This was in the beginning of the 45 minutes drive road, that is full road for the park. And inside this visitor center you have a big museum where you can see the history, culture and even the wildlife in Algonquin. We know it's the time for snow, and forecast was showing exact snow time, and in this visitor center all were excited, moving around, taking lovely pictures and videos with snow. Though it was a light snow, but it was first snow of the season. Enjoyed thoroughly. After snow, it's time to just go indoor. No more outdoor activities you can do. It was damp and wet everywhere. So we chose to go back to our room, and it's dinner time and having dinner too. Here in Canada, you cannot predict the weather at all. Even though the weather forecast shows something, it will be something else only. That is what we understood by this trip. For Algonquin Park, the entry ticket you have to book 5 days beforehand. Otherwise, you won't get tickets. Tickets means they will register your number plate, car number plate, and then only you can park in different places. Otherwise, simply on Highway 60, you can keep on going as a long ride or drive, but you cannot park without the parking lot payment fee. Next day, our plan was to go again to Algonquin, but the weather was very bad, heavy rain, and here in Muskoka it was much better, only light drizzling and showers like that. So we chose to go to Arrowhead Park, which is also another beautiful camping and even sightseeing location. This ground which I am showing round about, right, that is camping grounds. Inside the park, if you go, lovely colors around camping grounds are available with nice this picnic tables and all in between. People bring their RV, and also sometimes they put their tents and enjoy camping over here. One of the empty spot we took, and we stayed there for a little longer and took lovely pictures and had a little bit fun time. Roam about inside the park, little bit of trails also we checked. We went inside the trails too. It was fun time. In this park also, lake was very close by to the visitor center, so we chose to go and just have a view of the lake. And then we went to 2 places, that is Big Bend and one more. They just gave us marked, definitely do not miss out. So we came to this Big Bend. What is this Big Bend means? It is a small loop coming out of the river, a long river. In that just a small bend like this round, you can see horseshoe like, right? That is the Big Bend. It is due to soil erosion. So in long run what will happen, everything is clearly explained. And next spot was a falls. It was Tub Falls. This is also a must visit place. Nice, very beautiful location. You have to go through the stairs, and lovely pictures came out here also. But it was raining, right? So every floor was all just very slippery and it was just sliding. So we did not go to the main falls. Just as long as possible we went to just till this spot and came back. That's it. Half a day we enjoyed in Muskoka, and from there we started going back to our house. And on the way we stopped in Brampton for enjoying nice South Indian chettinad food. It is Anjapar chettinad. If you are South Indian, that too especially Tamilian, you will know what is chettinad food. Those who can handle spice level and wonderful parotas, bun parotas, this is the spot you must visit. Anjapar Chettinad restaurant is available in many other spots like Mississauga and other spots too, but this is in Brampton. Brampton will give you the feel of India itself. I hope you can see that. That's all for today. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe or a vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.